Looking to download and install Kaspersky free antivirus? I'll show you how to set it up on your Windows PC step by step. Open a web browser. Search for Kaspersky free antivirus. Click on the link to the official Kaspersky website, kaspersky.com. On the page, click the Download Now button. Once the download starts, open the installer and select your desired installation language. Choose whether to participate in Kaspersky's security network and whether to include the Kaspersky Password Manager, optional. Click Install and allow any user account control prompts. During installation, you'll be presented with options like enabling protection against ads, deleting malicious tools, and detecting harmful software. Customize these settings according to your preferences. The Kaspersky application will launch, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address to create an account. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.